Namaskar. So here we are from Group 1 and we are going to listen about Khmer Vegetable Marketplace. Who is our team member? I am Rita.
I am Cả
I am Vichit Soksitha.
I am Ngay Tarapic.
I am Sang Prak Bomai.
I am Pravinod.
Sorry, is our content table. We have 10 content.
First, about the title and introduction. The Khmer Vegetable Marketplace website was designed to address land faced by Cambodian customers and local farmers when buying and selling fresh vegetable online. And research show that users often distribute online vegetable to share because they cannot verify freshness, quality, or delivery reliability. Farmers also lack a simple platform to sell directly to customers. Second, about the problem statement and about the first, we're talking about the problem. The Khmer Vegetable Market website was designed to address land faced by Cambodia customer and local farmers when buying and selling fresh vegetable online. Research show that users often distribute online vegetable to share because they cannot verify freshness, quality, or delivery reliability. Farmers also lack a simple platform to sell directly to customer. And about the project goal, to create a Khmer language vegetable marketplace that improve through convenience and accessibility for both customer and farmers. And this point, we're talking about the target user, and we have two. The first is customer, and second about the farmers. And target user group one about the customers. She is Iranian and she is 28 years old. Workshop office workers and what's in it about the fresh vegetable and quick ordering process and reliable deliveries. The first important is Khmer language support and about the pain points, busy schedule and difficult to try freshness online and concern about the product quality. And about the group two, farmers, he is Vanet and 42 years old, and he is a local vegetable farmers, and he need directly access to customer and fair pricing and reliable delivery, easy product management, and pain point depend on the middleman and limit online selling opportunity. And move to next slide. Move to the page.
Number 4, research finding. There are 6. Finding 1, 70% of users do not fully trust online vegetable purchase. Finding 2, users want freshness information before purchasing. Finding 3, fast delivery significantly influence purchasing decision. Finding 4, 90% of participants prefer Khmer language support. Finding 5, users prefer simple navigation and category-based browsing. Last one, customer value verified seller and transparent product information.
So moving on to the next part, which is heuristic audit. So these are the results that we use heuristic evaluation. So the first issue is visibility of system status. So this found by user observers, user could not easily see the progress of the checkout process. So to fix this issue, we can add a checkout progress bar and order status update. And for the second issue is help user recognize, diagnose, and recover from error. Error message were missing or unclear. So we can add clear error message and recovery suggestion. And for the next issue is help and documentation. This by observers user had difficulty finding support information. So we can add a help center and FAQ page. And for the fourth issue is consistency and standard. Some button and layout were inconsistent across screens. So we can fix this by standardized button, icon, and page layout. And for the next issue is match between system and real world. Some terms were difficult for new users to understand. So with this, we can simplify label and improve Khmer translation. And for the last issue is recognition rather than recall. So user had to remember navigation. So this we can fix by edit category icon and clearer navigation. That's it.
So here is our application that it is Vegetable Khmer. So here when user download our application, so after that they click on and go to our application, so they will see a login page. So if they are a new user, they need to be registered first. So here register need a username, email, password, and after that they need to log in again, that fill in with email and password, and after that they go to a home page after they already log in. And here is our home page that have a banner that show about promotion, flash sale, or top product that our application has. Mean that here that the banner was changed every day or every week. So here is category that have vegetable, fruit, or natural, or something that depend on the category and depend on a vegetable that have their own category. And here is a product, a top product that it is top in this weekend. So yes. So here is a product that we have a vegetable. So our application all language is Khmer because we want our user to use easily and to easy to understand in our application. So that's why we design a prototype tool again to apply a Khmer language. Yes. So here is we want to view more detail about this product. So click on yes, and we will see we will go to view detail page to see more detail about related to that product. Yes, we will see how many kilogram that that vegetable has in stock. And here we will see this profile is provider that provider that sell that product. So here if we want to know about more detail of provider, we can click on his profile. Yes, and if we go to more information page of provider detail. So no, sorry. So here we will go to provider store. Yes, okay. We will see more detail about that provider that sell that product. So here is his more information about related to that provider, and here is his product that he had sell in the platform. Yes. So if we want to contact him, we just click in icon chat. So yes, customer can chat with that provider, or they want to know more detail about the product they want to buy. So here is a search bar, and here is a category also, or we want to search anything that customer can search anything that they want, or another vegetable that they want. Yes. So here. So our application also has add to cart. Yes, customer can add to cart after buying. So sorry, not after buying, mean that they want that product and they click on to buy to add to cart. Yeah, so here they can add to cart, and also process to check out. Yeah, so here is payment. Mean that so here is payment successfully. Yes, the customer can also edit their address as well, and they can pay by ABA, mean that QR, or they can pay by Visa card or cash on by delivery as well. So after that, they also they can also see their total price, and after that they click out to check out. Yes, after check out, they will see a page successfully after buying in our application. So yes, here is a successful buying of the customer. So after that, customer can see order tracker as well. So after they click this, it will go to a tracker, order tracker, that they can see their product. They can see the product is packing or delivery. So if they have a problem with the product or they want it fast, they can also contact with delivery also. So here they can contact with delivery and call as well. So here they can see their order history, and here is profile. Profile, they can edit their photo, their information, their phone number as well. So here is order history, favorite farm. Yes, they can also click to add to favorite what is their favorite farm. And here is address of the customer, and here is payment by, and here is a FAQ that we have added in our prototype tool, because after evaluation, the group X need the page that the customer can ask a problem and find the solution as well. So here is our FAQ page. Yes, it is useful for the customer that they had a problem. So I forgot to show the notification as well. So here is a notification that the customer will see the news from the platform that has a promotion, or the notification of their order tracker, or mean that all of notification that our application have will send to them new application about promotion or promo code or top product as well. So here is a notification is for user to find their more information as well. So that's all of user page or customer page in our application. So here our team also design admin dashboard also. So here is admin homepage, yes, and the menu or admin has six menu. Yes, here is a dashboard, user management, staff management, product management, order management, report, staff management, and profile of admin. So here is user management. Yes, we have total user that who total active or inactive. The admin can also edit or see more information about user as well. So here is staff management. Yes, the staff the information of the staff. The admin can also edit or update more information of the staff too. So here is provider management. The admin can see total provider who active or inactive. Yes, you can also edit their provider also. So here is order management. Yes, you can see the order of the customer buy from a host product that sorry, they can the admin can also know who customer buy from a whole provider. Mean that it is easy for admin to management their provider as well, so they can see more information, more detail about the product that pending delivery or complete. And here is report management. Report admin can see the report of a customer or provider as well. And so here is product management. They can see all product which provider has sell in the application. Yes, total the product and low can also see the low stock and can also what is which product is active or inactive as well. And here is a profile of admin. Yes. So here is we also do a staff dashboard that we can manage the provider. Mean that I forgot to tell that if the user want to become a provider, they need to be submit the application form. So after that, the application form will go to staff dashboard. That staff dashboard can manage or approve which provider can allow to be, mean that user can be the provider in our application. They need to submit a form and the staff if the one who approve or management the provider. So here is a staff dashboard. So here is a dashboard that staff receive the application from the provider, the user that want to become a provider. Yeah, they can click to approve and see more detail about that staff have filing in the application. Yes, so here is the detail of the provider that one or the customer or the user want to become a provider. So and here is the profile of user of the staff. Yes, so here is thereof in our demo.
So I'm going to demo about the other type of user. So in our website, we have two types of user. The first type is the customer that buy the product, and also the other type is the customer that actually sell the product in our website. So this type is the provider. So when user log in as provider, it's gonna navigate into provider dashboard, which show briefly of the information of customer, order, and also the revenue that has been made throughout each month. And it also show the list of top customer also. And in this, they can also view each order of the customer like this. And also moving on to the next page, which is product page. In this product page, provider can add new product, view their existing product, edit or delete. So when they want to add product, they can click on that button and they can fill in some of the information. And also when they want to view the detail, they can click on this icon. And moving on to the next page, which is order page. So in this order page, it's gonna list all the order that has been made, like when the customer order from this provider is gonna upload here. And in each order, provider can view the detail also. And moving on to the next page, which is the revenue page. So in this revenue page, it lists all the income that has been made, also all the diagram of revenue, top customer, and also the recently order too. And moving on to the next page, which is the account page. Provider can also view the account, upload photo, or maybe change some information like this. So this is the end of provider demo. Thank you.
For the design discussion, first, 19% of user prefer Khmer. We create Khmer interface to make app easy to use. Second, user worry about the product freshness, so we add the freshness indicate. Third, many users did not fully track the online seller, so we introduce verified seller to build track. For the some users are not comfortable to online payment, so we add the cash with on delivery. Finally, user to know the state their order, so we include the order tracking. Let's move the next slide.
So here is peer evaluation. We got feedback from group A that So here we got feedback from group A that evaluate our group. Evaluator found that the prototype is visually consistent and easy to navigate, and help and support feature were difficult to locate, and the marketplace should provide stronger Khmer language to support our application. And the last one that we got from feedback from group A, our checkout page process could be clearly more than this, and the step by step the progressing must be usually and of and the progressing of a checkout page must be step by step and easy for user to use. Let's move to number 9. And number 9 is accessibility. After we got feedback from group X and we need to improve in our prototype. So here is what we add in a prototype V2. So the first one we create dedicate a help center and FAQ section to have mean that to have our customer easy when they are they need help or they have a problem or understand or don't understand our application clearly, so they can use a FAQ page to ask about their problem. And we also improve Khmer language to support throughout the interface. Mean that we add Khmer language to support our application, so it is easy for our customer in Cambodia. So next, we also improve our checkout page. We also redesign step by step also test the progress and with the progress bar. And we also redesign UI component for user easy to use and also better consistency and convenient for customer to use our component in our application. And the last one, we also redesign and test and check our navigation again and again, make sure that our customer easy to use and mean that they familiar with our application.
And now go to the last slide. In conclusion, our project focused on solving the main problem that users face when buying vegetable online. So our research, we found that many users were concerned about fairness, trust, and the lack of common language support. To address this issue, we designed features such as fairness indicator, verified vendor page, and a Khmer first interface. We also improve accessibility and usability by creating simple navigation, clear product categories, and other tracking features. Overall, our final prototype provides a small, reliable, user-friendly, and accessible shopping experience while helping local farmers connect directly with consumers. And now our presentation is finished, and thank you, teacher, for listening.